Arrive in style with this 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, compass, cruise control, engine hour meter and external temperature display. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.